Gent, fucking interrupt. A god, you fat whore.
Oh, hell no. Sissy Roach, sir, you have been banned 6 years ago from going to any prestigious event.
And Lily, who the hell even invited you?
Bitch, first of all, yes, lay bitch. Tell those fat bitchy cunts whose boss diva, A-U-G-H-H-H-H. Anyways, first Y-A-A-A-R, U-G-H-H. Thank you, my condom. But let me speak. Oh, sorry, babe. It's okay, my already whore bun living good job.
Get the hell off the stage with your disgusting ass repulsive self.
There are little hoots here. You are traumatizing them.
Excuse me? You have made me. I'm the star of the show, so it tries to be a bit fashionably fucking light. Are you into cosmetics performance? I was busy having sex at the Taurus with sexy rat in my grips. Oh, and also, how the fuck are you gonna nominate Sissy Rat and me when I'm eating lettuce? Like, why would you aim it? Oh, girl, fuck you, fuck you. I'm gonna make this show get cancelled. She's a